Thank you, sir, for your precise speech. Now, this workshop will be a basket of full of social research knowledge, theoretically and practically. Please have a kind attention. Now, I am going to introduce our honorable facilitator, M. Abdullah Al Mamun, sir. Today's workshop facilitator, M. Abdullah Al Mamun, sir. At this stage, I would like to introduce him. Abdullah Al Mamun, M. Abdullah Al Mamun, School of Business and Economics, PhD HRM candidate, University Putra, Malaysia. I would like to request sir to start the speech. Before that, let's know about M. Abdullah Al Mamun, sir, in brief. Assistant Professor M. Abdullah Al Mamun, sir, is a PhD HRM candidate at School of Business and Economics, University Putra, Malaysia. He has more than 19 years of experience in the field of academic and corporate. Mr. Mamun worked for DFIL International University, Dhaka, Bangladesh, Southeast University, Dhaka, Bangladesh, Sylhet International University, Sylhet, Bangladesh. He earned MBA degree major in HRM and marketing from Bangalore University, India, under Indian government ICCR scholarship, and BBA degree major in management from Southern Adventist University, Tennessee, USA. He also completed a PGD in retail management degree from ICFAI University, India. Mr. Mamun received Outstanding International Student Award from Guardian City Group of Institutions, Bangalore, India. Mr. Mamun is competent on research, methodology, and statistical software like SPSS, PLS-SEM. He has been invited as the resource person to conduct the workshop on structural equation modeling, SEM, using SmartPLS 4.0 at School of Business and Economics, University Putra, Malaysia, and Faculty of Business Administration, American International University, Bangladesh, AIUB, on April 2023. Mr. Mamun attends career HR-related TV talk shows and radio program as an expert and resource person, and conducted 60+ webinars, workshops, seminars locally and internationally. Mr. Mamun is the Associate Editor of International Journal of Bangladesh Society for Human Resource Management and reviewers of various peer-reviewed journals. He has published 27 research articles in reputed peer-reviewed international and local journals, including Scopus Indexed. His main areas of research interest are green HRM, strategic HRM, training and development, talent management, high performance work systems, and sustainability. Mr. Mamun is the consultant HR outsources and My Jobs, Dhaka. He is a life fellow and ex-joint secretary of Bangladesh Society for Human Resources Management, BSHRM, member of Society for Human Resource Management, SHRM, USA, and one of the founder of HR Club, Bangladesh. Bangladesh Limited. He is the chief advisor of Federation of Hospitality, Tourism, and Event Management and Business Genius Bangladesh, and advisor of Tanrat Group Bangladesh. He is the ex-president of Graduate Student Club. School of Business and Economics, University Putra, Malaysia. He is the former Conference and Skill Enhancement Secretary of Bangladesh Students Union, Malaysia, BSUM, former Vice Chairman of World Organization of Students and Youth, WOSY, India, and former Joint General Secretary of Federation International Students Association, Bangalore, India. Mr. Mamun was a debater in his student life and presently he is the advisor to the chairman and ex-moderator of National Debate Federation, Bangladesh, NDFBD, former moderator of Southeast University Debate Club, and founding moderator of Sylhet International University Debating Club. Mr. Mamun was the syndicate member at Sylhet International University. He is a life member of American Alumni Association. He was the conference secretary of 6th BSHRM MetLife International HR Conference 2017. Now I am requesting M. Abdullah Al Mamun sir to start the workshop.